Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to optimize your auto campaigns for branded and non-branded terms. Let's get into it. To maximize efficiency in automatic campaigns on Amazon, a strategic approach involves separating branded and non-branded targeting into distinct campaign structures. This ensures better control over budget allocation and helps achieve specific goals, such as keyword discovery or branded visibility, without overlap or waste. The recommended structure includes two sets of automatic campaigns. The first set focuses on non-branded keyword discovery. These campaigns are configured by applying negative keyword targeting to exclude branded terms and their common variations. Additionally, product-level negation is applied by excluding the seller's own ASINs. This setup ensures the campaign is not triggered by searches that include the brand name or product listings already within the catalog. As a result, the campaign is directed toward discovering new, high-intent keywords and product placements that could lead to incremental traffic and conversions. The second set of campaigns is designed to capture branded traffic. These campaigns do not include any keyword or product-level negations. However, they are configured with very low bids to ensure minimal ad spend while still capturing high-relevance branded searches. Because the brand's own keywords are typically easier to win and more relevant to the listings, these campaigns can achieve significantly lower advertising cost of sale, ACOS, often as low as 5%. This two-tiered structure serves two distinct purposes. The non-branded campaigns provide clean, valuable keyword discovery and prevent budget from being absorbed by branded traffic. The branded campaigns offer low-cost protection for the brand name, ensuring continued visibility on relevant searches without overspending. This strategy is especially effective for sellers with established brand presence and registered trademarks through Amazon Brand Registry. Sellers without brand registry may face limitations in campaign control and brand protection, making registration a foundational step before deploying advanced advertising structures. By separating branded and non-branded targeting, advertisers can better measure performance, allocate budgets more precisely, and prevent overlap between customer acquisition and brand retention strategies. The structure also provides clear data for optimization decisions and reduces wasteful ad spend. This dual campaign approach is a proven way to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of automatic campaigns, ensuring each campaign type supports its intended objective without interference from the other. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.